The first step that you take to participate in curriculum activities that are beyond your regular studies itself is a step forward to achieving far greater abilities. So with these few words, I will not take a lot of time. I congratulate all the parents for their hard work, and I am sure it will be at their pleasure also to see their children excel. So I wish them all the best. I also wish all the students many more successes in the future events that they participate. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for those encouraging words. Now I request Mr. P. Naresh Kumar to say a few words to the people present here.
Namaste, warm good morning. I really must appreciate the children here for participating in such competitions. When I was from 84, I was born in 84 and completed my school in 2000. So we never participated in such competitions. I think each and every child here must thank their parents for making them participate in such global competitions, because that definitely make a huge difference in our education system. Because up to 2000, my handwriting was very bad. Okay, I don't know what is spelling. I can't spell much better words at that time. But today I am finding my own children to go for those competitions. So the kids are very lucky to always participate in the competitions, never miss a chance, because in my childhood I only got a 2-inch cup, but I participated in lots of competitions. But my entire childhood in my schooling I got a 2-inch, only 1 cup as a prize, that too a consolation prize. But I never left the participation in the competitions, always ready to participate. So I request all the children to participate in every competitions whenever we get an opportunity. And equally, I must thank Mr. International for inviting me as a chief guest for this program. And case of very thankful. And Anil sir, without knowing me also, they support a lot our organization, which is Generation Yuva. So when Keshav sir has invited me, I immediately came to this event because it's all about children. From past 17 years, we live with children, but those children belong to another community. I want to let the children know this actually, how lucky you are. Because in my shelter home, there is around 200 children. Most of the children don't have parents. And some have parents who are begging on the streets. They literally beg on the streets. They don't have any facility, and even they train their children like monkeys to earn money. They don't have any affections, laws between the children and the parent. They always train the children from the first year of their childhood. The child will be lifting the hand for the arms. They were trained. I have such children who can earn 1,000 rupees per day in begging. When they were 7 years, 8 years old, their girl children, boy children, typical childhood, malnourished, they don't have any nutritional food, they are very patala, they can't even walk. When we brought few children to our shelter on the first day, when we kept a complete plate of meals, after eating the meal, we used to lick the plate. See how suffering is the other angle of the children on the streets. So, children, do remember, you are so lucky to born in such families. You are so lucky to have such beautiful parents. So, always be truthful to your parents, always love your parents. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable message.
Good morning. We'll give the prize distribution according to the schedule. Those parents who have children from both the schools, at the end of
So now we begin prize distribution, the certificate and the trophies. I request Sir Anilman to give the trophies to the students and Sir B. Naresh Kumar to hand over the certificates. So we begin with class 4. This is the prizes for handwriting visitors. C.H. Kriti Verma, class 4, who is from Timpani Steel City School, Gajraula. She has achieved 24th rank in the handwriting competition. So, please come Kriti Verma from Timpani Steel City School, Gajraula, Visakhapatnam. She achieved 24th rank. Well done, congratulations. So she is being given a medal and a certificate. Tejasvi Sharma from class 4 and she is from Navy Children's School, Primary Wing, Nausainabad, Visakhapatnam. And she has achieved 23rd rank. Congratulations to you too. We are proud of all of you. A medal and a certificate is being presented to her. Next we have Janvi Singh from Navy Children's School, Primary Wing, Nausainabad, Visakhapatnam, and she bags 19th rank. Oh, I'm sorry. Tejasvi Sharma from class 4, who is also from Navy Children's School, Primary Wing, Nausainabad. She bags 21st rank. I'm sorry, is she here? Tejasvi Sharma.
Tejasvi Sharma. Tejasvi Sharma.
Tejasvi Sharma, who has bagged the 21st rank.
Okay, next it is Janvi Singh of class 4 from Navy Children's School, Primary Wing. She bags a 19th rank. Next, Sadia Azaz of Navy Children's School, SDN College, Visakhapatnam, 17th rank at All India National level. Do we have Sadia? Here? Thank you. Next it is Manan Sajika from Navy Children's School, Primary Wing, Nausainabad, 17th rank at the All India Nationals in handwriting competition. Nauduri Ananji from Timpani City School, Gajraula has bagged the 15th rank at All India level. Janisha Nath of class 4 from Navy Children's School, Primary Wing, Nausainabad Okay, now we switch to spelling competition.
Good afternoon, sir. Good morning, children. Since you know the rhymes already, rhymes will be taught from last to first, so kindly be ready when your name is called. Okay, thank you.
Class 4, Yellow Lasita Smriti, Navy Children's School Primary Grade, 72nd rank, all India level. Devansh Rai, Navy Children's School, SDN Colony, has bagged a 67th rank at all India level. We have Devansh here. Next is Abhijita Shri Sanamati, Tiffany School. Please come from the right side. Shri Sanamati has secured a 59th rank at all India level. Can you please applaud? Siddharth Kapoor, Tiffany School, 59th rank, all India level. Siddharth Kapoor. Siddharth Kapoor, class 4, 59th rank at all India spelling competition.
Next we have Ratna Sri Sanamati.
Sorry, please. G.V. Krishna Satwik. G.V. Krishna Satwik, Tiffany School, 59th rank. G.V. Krishna Satwik. Next, Shivansh Singh Chandel, Navy Children's School, Primary Grade, Hamsinabad, 57th rank. Prathamesh Sarkar, Navy Children's School, SDN Colony, 57th rank. Prathamesh Sarkar is here. Prathamesh Sarkar, Navy Children's School, SDN Colony, Visakhapatnam. He has bagged the 57th rank at the All India Spelling Competition. Next, Korara Kartikeya, Tiffany Steel City School. Korara Kartikeya of class 4, Tiffany Steel City School. She has bagged the 55th rank at All India Spelling Competition. Next, Gundiman Kaur, Navy Children's School, SDN Colony, 55th rank. Yashwant Reddy Ravada, Navy Children's School, Primary Grade, 55th rank. B. Ayush of St. Francis School, Srinam Sara, Visakhapatnam, has bagged the 54th rank at All India Spelling Competition. B. Ayush of St. Francis School. Next, Vedant Patra, Tiffany Senior Secondary School. Vedant Patra, class 4, Tiffany Senior Secondary School, has bagged a 54th rank. Vatlavadi Tharuchi, Children's School, SDN Colony. Vatlavadi Tharuchi, Navy Children's School, SDN Colony, has bagged a 53rd rank. T. Cherisha of class 4, Tiffany School, has bagged a 52nd rank. T. Cherisha, Tiffany School. Maya Chauhan, Navy Children's School, Primary Grade, has bagged a 52nd rank at All India level. Maya is here. Yes, we have Maya here. Maya Chauhan, class 4, Navy Children's School, Primary Grade. She has bagged a 52nd rank at All India Hemchandra Sai. Hemchandra Sai has bagged the 40th rank at national level. Himansh Bajpayee, Lady Children's School, primary grade. Himansh is here. He has achieved the 40th rank at all India level. Let's give him a big round of applause. Next, Naitri Srivastava of Navy Children's School, primary grade. Naitri Srivastava of Navy Children's School, primary grade, Naushadabad, Visakhapatnam has bagged the 40th rank. Next is R.T. Amit Raj of class 4, Navy Children's School, SDN Colony. We have R.T. Amit Raj here. R.T. Amit Raj, Navy Children's School, SDN Colony, Visakhapatnam has achieved the 47th rank at all India level. Next, it is P. Revan. P. Revan of Tilly School. We have P. Revan here. P. Revan of Tilly School has bagged the 46th rank at all India spelling competition. Next, it is Dubwa Avinesh, Tilly School, Visakhapatnam. He has bagged the 46th rank at all India spelling competition. If we have Mr. anyone from class 4, please, you can just come here and update. You will call out the names. Okay, we now move to the class 5. We move to the class 5 next section. Before that, let me bring some. And the first year it started only in 3 states: West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, and the now Telangana and Andhra Pradesh are divided, and in the state of Kerala. It's 15 years. This is the 15th national we are conducting. For the first 3 years, it was only violent students who bagged the top 10 ranks. If there were 100 ranks, it was 50 ranks that were bagged by Visakhapatnam. Now we are spread to almost 21 states across India, pan-India. There are some around 1.5 to 2 lakh students who have participated last year. From that, there are only some 3,200 to 3,300 students at the national level. So these achievers are in that area of 3,300 students. So I must say this is a big achievement for all of you dear students, and a big congratulations especially to parents who really support the students, who really take up the challenge. They prepare the students. It's not that the school prepares all the school prepare the students. It's only very few schools who give training, but it is all about the parents who take the initiative, who rather associate with the students. Even they still get learn many words. Frankly speaking, even I have learned a lot of words. That's the reason I put up so much of weight, because there are so many words inside me. I have really put on at least 15-20 kgs in the last 10 years only because of studying. This is only right and wrong, but still I would say I am learning many words. I have learned words like ubiquitous, haram. There are so many words. Euthanasia. Honestly speaking, when I was a kid, maybe I have not learned these words. So kudos to all the students. They have really done a tremendous job at this platform. We try to support as much as possible we can, but it is also the support of the parents that is important. Second, the support of the school, the coordinators, and third, it is the dedication of the student. Because I must say, hard work and dedication will take you to the higher heights. You know this very 2,000 plus words. You learn it regularly, you explore it, and you implement it, and you get good ranks quality level in this spelling competition. We have many competitions related to this process. We now move to the second session. Second session is for class.
Children's School Primary Wing, Nausainabad, Visakhapatnam bags the 15th rank. Deja from class 1. Next, B. Nagasarvika, also from class 5, Navy Children's School, Nausainabad, Visakhapatnam. She gets the 12th rank. Devna Krishna S. Navy Children's School, Nausainabad, Visakhapatnam. She achieved 10th rank. Vaniseti Jessica from class 5 of SFS School, CPSC Sikandara, bags the 8th rank. Is she here? Arjun Tomar from class 5, Navy Children's School, SVN Colony, Visakhapatnam, bags the 6th rank. Tenjabu Shalini from Navy Children's School, Primary Wing, Nausainabad, bags the 5th rank. Unfortunately, none of them are here. So now we move on to the specific rankers from class 5. Arnab Ghosh from Navy Children's School, Nausainabad, bags the 64th rank. Viraj Bhargava of Navy Children's School, Nausainabad, bags the 62nd rank. Congratulations to you, Viraj Bhargava. Next we have Minaya Koval from Navy Children's School, Primary Nausainabad, who gets the 59th rank. Mahadeva Vela from class 5 of Navy Children's School, SBM Colony, Nagaratnam, that's 57th rank. Congratulations, Vela. Ishan Tenala of Temple Senior School, Gajulaka, that's the 56th rank. Priyanshu Sahu, also from class 5, Navy Children's School, Nausainabad, that's 54th rank. Congratulations, Priyanshu. Shreya Agarwal from Temple School, Visakhapatnam, bags 52nd rank. Shreya Agarwal. Angad Kumar Gupta from Navy Children's School, Nausainabad, bags the 51st rank. Angad Kumar Gupta. Kalrigula Subhas Kartikeya from Temple School, bags the 51st rank. Congratulations, Suhas. Jamana Lakshmi Akshata Verma from Temple School, Visakhapatnam, bags 44th rank. P. Naresh Arvind of Temple Senior Secondary School, Visakhapatnam, bags 43rd rank, All India rank 43rd rank. Ronak Nizar of Temple School again, bags the 41st rank. Nilsifat Kaur Bajwa of Navy Children's School, Primary Wing, Patiwala Nirmal Swarit from Temple School, Visakhapatnam, bags the All India 40th rank. Congratulations to you. Congratulations, Swarit. Neha of Tilbury State City School, Gandhaka, bags the 33rd All India National Rank. And next, Aiden Oliver of Navy Children's School, Primary Wing, Naumena, bags the 4th rank. Hearty congratulations to him on his excellent achievement. Aiden Oliver.
Aiden Oliver has been participating in this competition for the last 3 years. Every year he has just stood first at the state level. Last year he has achieved the 6th rank all India, and this year he has achieved the 4th rank. He has scored around 127 marks at all India level. He got 97 words correct and 30 phonetics correct. So he has bagged the 4th rank at all India level, a rank certificate, trophy, and a cash amount of 2,000 rupees. Thank you. With this, we come to the end of class 5. Now we will start class 6.
Class 4, I guess couple of students have come. Please come forward and identify yourself. Class 4 students. Class 4, anyone else? Class 4, anyone else?
Class 4 from Trinity Women and Women from Navy Children's School, Primary Wing, Naumena, has bagged the 33rd rank at all India national level. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Dear parents, this is the second best rank from Andhra Pradesh at national level. Congratulations, students.
Class 4 है अंगद कुमार को क्लास 5 51st rank. Anyone else from class 4 and 5?
Sorry, all the coaches are ready, but it's that like that if the first of our time to come, we are putting aside and the certificates we have to complete with normality. So let us give a big round of applause. Mark, we have achieved the 51st rank at all India nationals.
Class 4 48 rank.
Telugu Children's class 4 Navy Children's School, SDN College, Visakhapatnam, he has bagged the 48th rank at all India level.
As we move on to class over the trophy and Mr. Anil Velpal to hand over the certificates. So we begin with handwriting results of class 6. Mohit Kumar from Navy Children's School, Nausainabad gets the 22nd All India rank. Mohit Kumar. Arushi from class 6, again from Navy Children's School, Nausainabad, Visakhapatnam, got the 20th rank. Gyan Dixit from Navy Children's School, Nausainabad, bags the 18th rank. Ansh Chowdhury from Navy Children's School, Nausainabad, Visakhapatnam, has achieved the 16th All India rank. G. Nehanya Reddy, again from Navy Children's School, Nausainabad, gets the 14th rank. G. Nehanya Reddy. Gauri Parihar from Navy Children's School, Nausainabad, bags the 12th rank. Hearty congratulations to Gauri. Well done. We are proud of all of you who have done so well.
This is Gauri Parikar from class 6 Navy Children's School, Nausainabad. All India 12 and writing results conducted by HL School. Congratulations, Gauri.
Next, B. Divya from class 6, SMS School, CPSE Sitandara, has bagged the 10th rank. Akriti Kumari from Navy Children's School, Nausainabad, has got the 7th rank. Very well done. Congratulations to you.
Your parents, Mrs. Akriti Kumari, class 6 Children's School, Nausainabad, secured the 7th rank of writing results.
Ivani Vijaya Harini from Navy Children's School, Nausainabad, has achieved the 4th rank with the 4th medal. Congratulations.
Your parents, Parivani Vijaya Reddy, 4th rank, right.
Next we have Swati Singh from Navy Children's School, Nausainabad, who was achieved the 2nd rank. Very well done. Congratulations for your excellent performance. Now we move on to the Spell Bee National Rankers of Class 6. P. Mahini Cheetah of Class 6 from Navy Children's School, Nausainabad, has got the 40th. Swati Singh, who has Congratulations, Swati, for doing so well.
So Olympia level second best handwriting from class 6. Congratulations. OPC to take the first hand this year. Now we move on to Stephanie.
P. Anthony Dikshita from Navy Children's School, Nausena bags the 57th rank. Riyan Singh from Navy Children's School, Nausena gets the 51st rank. Vivan Mane from Navy Children's School, Nausena gets the 47th rank. U. Sharmuka Srivardhan from Timpani School, Visakhapatnam gets the 44th rank. Congratulations to you. He is U. Sharmuka Srivardhan from Timpani School. Arushi from Navy Children's School, Nausena gets the 43rd rank. Arushi from Navy Children's School, Nausena gets the 43rd rank. Auntie, congratulations to you too. Devans Sharma from Navy Children's School, SPM Colony, Visakhapatnam also gets the 42nd rank. Anand from class 6 of Navy Children's School, SPM Visakhapatnam also shares the 42nd rank. From Navy Children's School, SPM Colony, Visakhapatnam gets the 42nd rank. Congratulations to you. Riha Rajesh from Navy Children's School, Nausena gets the 41st rank. Riha Rajesh. Naksha Sharma from Navy Children's School, Nausena gets the 38th rank. Mohammad Ribul from SLR School, CKC Sindhamdara gets the 37th rank. Paidi Gurumani Sai Prati from Timpani Senior Secondary School gets the 36th rank. Paidi Gurumani Sai Prati from Timpani Senior School gets the 36th rank. Well done, keep it up. K. Achal Anurag from Timpani School, Visakhapatnam has achieved the 34th rank. Advait Jagdish from Navy Children's School, Nausena, Visakhapatnam has got the All India National 23rd rank. Advait Jagdish.
back of the system.
Vaishnava from Timpri School has achieved 32nd rank. Priya Singh is not here from Navy Children's School. His friend Arvind Jalpreet is collecting the prize on his behalf. So congratulations to you as well as your friend. Vaishnava is he here from Timpri School. Trishana Sahal from Navy Children's School gets the 22nd rank. Nancy Roy from Navy Children's School, Nausainabad gets the 28th rank. Arun Rathi from Navy Children's School, Nausainabad gets the 26th rank. Rishika Madhogarya from Timpri School gets the 23rd rank. Gauri Parihar from Navy Children's School, Nausainabad gets the 23rd rank. And I think she has also got the prize for handwriting, so she has bagged prizes in both the competitions, spelling as well as handwriting result. So hearty congratulations to you. Ishita Gupta from Navy Children's School, Nausainabad gets the 3rd rank. Congratulations to you. She gets the 3rd rank.
Ishita
Vaishnav Ram from Tulpuri School. Please come up. He is Vaishnav Ram of class 6 from Tulpuri School. For the he has the 32nd rank, All India National Level 32nd rank for spelling. Congratulations to you. Rishita Gupta, please come to the dais to collect the bride of the children's school.
Arav is pending.
Rishita, please come up and receive the prize for Arav Rathi from class 6 of Mary Children's School in Nausaiabad. Arav has got the 26th rank for spelling. Please come and collect the prize for Arav. Thank you. Ivani Vijay, class 6 of Mary Children's School, Nausaiabad, who has bagged the 4th rank for hand writing. Please come up and please take your prize, the certificate and the trophy. Congratulations for bagging the 4th rank. Well done. Hearty congratulations to you.
Please. Shreya Agarwal from Kidney School, Visakhapatnam of class 5 has bagged the 52nd rank. G.V. Krishna Savarkar has bagged the 59th rank. Dear parents, G.V. Krishna Savarkar of Kidney School. Now we have handwriting for class 8 standard Naman Yadav from Navy Children's School. Naman Yadav from Navy Children's School, Nausinabad. Moving next, Aryan Singh from Navy Children's School, Nausinabad. A big round of applause for Aryan Singh. Yes, a big round of applause for Aryan Singh. Now we have S. Joshita of SFS School CBSE. S. Joshita. Yes, a big round of applause for S. Joshita, SFS CBSE School. Now we have Kritika Adhikari, Class 8, Navy Children's School. A big round of applause for Kritika Adhikari. K. Sharmila Sri Varamalakshmi, Class 8 of SFS School CBSE Block. A big round of applause for K. Sharmila. Moving on to the next category is LB. We have Mohinish Budita. Mohinish Budita, Class 8 of Navy Children's School, Nausinabad. Next, Rachana Saipari. Rachana Saipari, Class 8, Timpani Senior Secondary School. S. Aswant Kumar. S. Aswant Kumar, Class 8, Wheatley High School. Now we have Tanya Gandhi. Tanya Gandhi of Class 8, Timpani School, Visakhapatnam. A big round of applause for Tanya Gandhi. A big round of applause, dear parents, to Tanya Gandhi. G. Udaya Tarini. G. Udaya Tarini of Class 8, Navy Children's School, Nausinabad. Big round of applause for G. Udaya Tarini. She bagged 41st rank. Nilofer Khatu. Nilofer Khatu of Class 8, Navy Children's School, Nausinabad. Big round of applause for Nilofer Khatu. Megha Mehta, Class 8, Timpani Senior Secondary School. Megha Mehta. Moving on to next, Advika Riyan Kujur. Advika Riyan Kujur, Class 8, Timpani State City School, Gajuwaka, Visakhapatnam. A big round of applause for Advika. Next we have Kambapati Krishna Kaustuv of Class 8, Timpani Senior Secondary School, Schedule 39 rank. Kambapati Krishna Kaustuv. A big round of applause.
Abdul of Class A, Navy Children's School, Nausinaba, has secured 38th position. Vivi Abdul of Class A, Navy Children's School, Nausinaba. A big round of applause for Abdul. A. Srikar of Class A, VT High School, has secured 37th rank. A. Srikar, Class A of VT School. Big round of applause for Srikar. Yash Raj of Class A, Navy Children's School, Nausinaba, has secured 37th rank. Yash Raj, Class A of Navy Children's School. A big round of applause for Yash Raj. Aduri Charan Sai Kamesh. Aduri Charan Sai Kamesh of Class A, SFS School, Sigamara, has secured 37th rank. Aduri Charan Sai Kamesh. Rompeli Geetika Priya of Class A, SFS CBSE School, has secured 36th rank. A big round of applause for Geetika. Shivani of Class A. Shivani of Class A, Navy Children's School, Nausinaba, has secured 36th rank. K. Sriyansh. K. Sriyansh of Class A, Nausinaba, has secured 33rd rank. Riddhi Mehta, Class A, Timpani Senior Secondary School, Visakhapatnam, has secured 25th rank. Riddhi Mehta of Timpani School. A big round of applause for Riddhi.
Vasalakshmi Vanshika from Tulsi Street School, who has secured 23rd rank. Is she here? Useki Lashya, Class 8, Mrs. Maria Das, School, Sri Haripura, Visakhapatnam, has got 13th rank.
Recently last year, Mrs. Maria School participating for the first time at all India level competition, 13th rank, second best rank from Andhra Pradesh, ladies and gentlemen, from Maria School. Please give a big round of applause. Thank you, Lasya. A great achievement for you and for your school. Proud of you.
Appeal Dev Chandra from Navy Children's School, Nausinaba, Visakhapatnam, has bagged the 7th rank in the National Survey Competition. Hearty congratulations for doing so exceptionally well and securing the 7th rank.
Dear parents and students, big round of applause. The best rank for class 8 from Andhra Pradesh, 7th rank all India level competition. A surprise. I think the best as of now from Visakhapatnam in the last 5 years from class 8. So ladies and gentlemen, let us give a big round of applause to Abhi Chandra from Navy Children's School, Nausinaba, The student couldn't make it, so mother is collecting the award on behalf of Nanda. Your parents and students please give a round of applause. We now move to the next set of awards for class 9 to 12. This is the last set of awards for session 1. I hope we have class 9 to 12 students here.
So we move on to the last category, that is students from 9th to 12th grade. So to begin with the handwriting results, we call upon Deepika Srivastava from class 10, who is from Navy Children's School, SPN Colony, Visakhapatnam, and she secures the 22nd rank. Deepika Srivastava. Next, Charu from class 9, Navy Children's School, Nausainabad, Visakhapatnam, has also secured the 22nd rank. Congratulations, Charu. Shruti Mandal from class 9, also from Navy Children's School, Nausainabad, has secured the 21st rank. Shruti Mandal. Aditi Sahu from class 10 of Navy Children's School, Nausainabad, has secured the 20th rank. Aditi Sahu. Lakshmi Shah from class 11 of Navy Children's School, Nausainabad, has secured the 18th rank. Gunjan Pal from class 9 of Navy Children's School, Nausainabad, has secured the 16th rank. Aditi Singh from class 9 of Navy Children's School, Nausainabad, has secured the 14th rank. Nitin Naria from class 9 of Navy Children's School, SPN Colony, Visakhapatnam, has secured the 10th rank. Nitin Naria from class 9, who has bagged the 10th rank. Congratulations, Nitin. Aditya Thakkar of class 9 from Navy Children's School, SPN Colony, Visakhapatnam, bags the 6th rank. I hope it is clear. Aditya Thakkar, class 9. He has secured the 6th rank. He is from Navy Children's School, SPN Colony, Visakhapatnam. Next we have Suruchi Kumari from class 9 of Navy Children's School, Nausainabad, Visakhapatnam, who has secured the 4th rank. Very well done. We congratulate you wholeheartedly. Next we have Soham Panda from class 9 from Navy Children's School, SPN Colony, Visakhapatnam. Can you guess which rank he has secured? He has secured the 1st rank, the topmost rank in handwriting result.
Dear parents and students, we receive the 5% cash award. First rank
Very good. Keep it up.
CBSE Classic Professional Rank in Handwriting Competition. P. Mani Dikshita. P. Mani Dikshita. P. Mani Dikshita, Village Nausenabad. Mani Dikshita, State Government.
Now we have the Spell Bee National Rankers from class 9 to 12. B. Pranita of class 9, SFS High School, Sridhar has secured the 59th rank. S.K. Afshin of class 9, VT High School, Visakhapatnam has secured the 53rd rank. Congratulations, Afshin. Sampana Venkata Manikanta Sai Santosh of class 9, Navy Children's School in Osmanabad has secured 51st rank. Riyansh Nevatia of class 9 from Pimpri School gets 51st rank. Riyansh from class 9 Pimpri School has secured the 51st rank. Elena Claire Fernandez of class 11 from Pimpri School gets the 47th rank. Arnav Karanya, class 9, Pimpri School, gets the 45th rank. Arnav Karanya of class 9 from Pimpri School has secured the 45th rank. Harshit Sinha from class 9, Giri Children's School, Nausenabad has bagged the 42nd rank. Harshit Sinha.
Thank you.
Yeravali Lakshmi Sarmani of class 12 from Tulpuri Senior Secondary School, Visakhapatnam has secured the 39th rank. V.L. Nivruti from class 11, Navy Children's School, Nausenabad has got 28th rank. Kamampati Krishna Katya of class 12 from Tulpuri Senior Secondary School gets the 37th rank. Congratulations, Krishna Katya. Palivila Sri Sri Chaitra the trophy and the certificate. Congratulations to Sri Chaitanya and her parents. Bhumika Varma from class 9 of Navy Children's School, SPM College, Visakhapatnam, gets the 27th rank. Congratulations, Bhumika. I think I want to make one now. Rihanna. Sophia Hissa from class 9 of Kalpani School, Visakhapatnam, gets the 18th rank. Kulbhushan from class 11 of Navy Children's School, Nausainabad, has secured the 11th rank. This is Kulbhushan from Navy Children's School, Nausainabad, who has secured the 11th.
Kulbhushan from class 11 class 10 Children's School, Nausainabad. Your parents has secured 11th rank at national level, second rank from Andhra Pradesh. Top with time which is 1 mark. A big round of applause, Kulbhushan.
Now I call upon Rehan Khan from class 10, who is from Navy Children's School, Nausainabad, and he has secured the 26th rank. The last name in this category is the topper from class 12. He is from Timpri Senior Secondary School, Visakhapatnam, and he is the top ranker, bagging the first position in the national spelling competition. And his parents are here, who will receive the prize on his behalf. So we are very proud of our school, and very proudly we invite the parents to come and receive the prize on behalf of our school.
Dear parents, let's welcome parents of Concord College Company, the first timer at National Solitaire Competition of this wedding. He has scored full marks, the first to do from Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh, the first to qualify level,
साइड में ले जाओ लेके आ रहा हूँ
ये निकाल दो मिलेगा थैंक यू ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀಟಾಗಿ हाँ थैंक यू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमारा बेटे का नाम है अंकुर तारीपत्री ही इज़ फ्रॉम क्लास 12 ही पास्ड आउट नाउ ही इज़ इन IM बोध गया स्पेल्स बी का ये जो कंपटीशन था उसने बहुत मेहनत किया एक्चुअली द क्रेडिट गोज़ टू हिज मदर लास्ट ईयर भी थर्ड आया था एंड ही मिस्ड द फर्स्ट रैंक बाय ए फ्यू मार्क्स आई अंडरस्टैंड दिस ईयर बहुत मेहनत किया उसने इट्स एन एक्सेलेंट कंपटीशन बहुत सपोर्ट और encouragement केशव सर बाकी टीम से मिला है स्टार्टिंग से ही उसने 2-3 महीने से प्रिपरेशन किया था फोनेटिक्स प्रोनाउंसिएशन सो ऑब्वियसली द मदर गेट्स लॉट ऑफ क्रेडिट एंड आई थैंक द एसोसिएशन दे हैव डन ए ग्रेट जॉब थैंक यू अ लॉट थैंक यू
As we come to
Thanks a
the
lot.
end of this session this afternoon, on behalf of all of us here at the Stellar team, I would like to extend my deep gratitude to our honorable chief guests for gracing this occasion and for their insightful speech. Our sincere gratitude goes to all the parents, their wishes, for the rock-solid supporters and encouragement. We are very grateful to members of the press and electronic media who are here to cover the event. I would like to thank all the working staff for making this event a joyful one with their impressive performances. Sir, we thank you so much for spending your valuable time with us and despite this uncomfortable weather, thank you for bearing with us.
I came 26.
Finally, I would
I studied a lot of materials.
staff of CPSC for their help to make this event a smooth and
I
successful
studied
one.
every day for
Thank you,
to
Mama. Have a
obtain
nice day.
prestigious rank.
again rest actually
My name is Rehan Khan. I'm from Navy Children's School, Vishakhapatnam, NSB. I'm from 11th grade. I bagged the 26th rank in Spelby national level. I have studied the material that Spelby has given me every day for half an hour. It has greatly helped me achieve this rank. I'm looking forward to achieve the first rank next year. I'm very honored to receive this. Thank you.
Please take your seat. Thank you so much. A vast experience of 26 years in teaching career. Ma'am has shaped many young minds who today have become the best in their careers. As a primary coordinator for 14 years of her experience in SFS SSC school, she joined SFS school in the year 1995, a very dedicated and loving personality. She used to remember each and every child's name throughout her 26 experienced years in her teaching, which is just a remarkable being a teacher. A big round of applause to Mrs. Lalita. Ma'am was a favorite teacher not only to the students but also to the parents, and she helped the parents how and why you need to train the children to shape their careers. She used to guide the parents how they need to, what are the methodologies they need to implement in the child's career so that being in the today's concrete generation, they can become the highest rank officers in their lives. While she declared her resignation for the school did not want to lose her even after she completed her 24 years of experience. The management, the students, the principal, everyone requested her and just wanted her to extend her 2 years of experience in her teaching career. A big round of applause as she completed her silver jubilee in her experience as a teacher. She is a dedicated teacher, a hardworking teacher. As when I am a student, I would never want to lose such a dedicated teacher. Even I am a backbencher or as a low student, she never declares anyone as a backbench student. She wants everyone as her own child. Even after, she wants to continue her career in teaching, but due to the COVID has hit her, so her family did not allow to work her. Now she is a retired teacher who's enjoying her retirement, and she graciously accepted her invitation, who's sitting in front of her. A big round of applause to our Miss Lalita. She is a motherly figure, not only to the student, but to everyone, including the staff and the principal. Now we can continuously go on praising. So I would like to stop here and I will invite Mrs. Prabhakar and Mrs. Swayam Prabha and Keshav to just hand over. Now today's surprise chief guest is Mrs. Swayam Prabha Bhari, who is Andhra Pradesh coordinator of Miss National Study. So a big round of applause who's encouraging all the young minds in their careers. Now as a parent, we just ask them we just teach them, come on, get first rank, get good marks in your subject. But here this Swayam Prabha Bhari is helping our children not in our English vocabulary and communication skills, which is a great strength and opportunity whenever they get any interviews. And if suppose we are having 100 students in an interview, we can expect our spelling child is going to bang on the interview because they have the good vocabulary skills. All because of Andhra Pradesh coordinator, Mrs. Swayam Prabha Bhari. A big round of applause. I would like to hand over my to Lalita ma'am to praise this occasion and speak few words about this.
Good afternoon, everybody. Parents, well-wishers, students, SLV team, a very warm good afternoon to all of you. I know the weather is very bad, so I'm just making sure. It's very nostalgic for me to come back to this premises where I worked for 26 years. It's homecoming for me, and since 2010, the SLV team with Swayam Prabha and others had approached me about this competition, and our students from SFS school, Seethamdala, have been participating since then. And I have seen many children coming out with flying colors, and it's not important just for the rank, but participating in these such competitions definitely has an edge over others. I have seen them improving their spellings, they have better vocabulary, and thereby their pronunciation also improves because of learning so many new words. And I found even the little children from second, third, fourth improving their reading skills, and they can comprehend the language very well, and I can see the boosted confidence in them. So I really thank this organization, the Miss Therapy, for giving the children this opportunity to take part in therapy as well as later in handwriting competition. Both play a very vital role in our lives, as you English is a global language for better social interaction, whether it is for business, for trade, for any job opportunities. And proficiency in English is a must. And secondly, handwriting, it is unique for each person, and those with the growing impact of technology, still handwriting is a potent representation for the originality, self-expression, and also intelligence. It helps them to improve their motor skills, improve their memory, so when they put down on with the pen and paper, the words resonate better and retain in their memory. So I congratulate all India national rankers for both therapy as well as handwriting. So students, I would always like to tell you, you are definitely doing so well. There is nothing much to say, but always believe in yourself, continue your hard work and keep going, and definitely you will be a winner. The prize for victory is high, but so are the rewards. So congratulations to all these Rocky One staff who have achieved the ranks in the items therapy or handwriting, and I also congratulate the parents. It is because of their solid support system that these students are doing so well. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your valuable words. So I would like to request Ms. Jessica to hand over the plan to Mrs. Lalita. A big round of applause. Now I will request Punama Krishna to hand over the plan. Now I request Ms. Asha Begum to hand over the plan to Mrs. Vanitha. A big round of applause. Actually, I am finding it very new calling her ma'am because she is a didi to me. She has guided me a lot. I've been working with her since 10 years in this as a Vizag coordinator, specialty coordinator. And first, I would like to thank her for giving me this opportunity, working with you, collaborating with you. Thank you, Didi. Thank you so much. Please be seated. Today you are the guest.
It's very embarrassing. I don't like to be basic. This was really a surprise. I think backstage they have planned all this. Anyway, thank you so much. Let me tell you. Before you all go, I want to call every volunteer here who has really helped me almost in the last 10 years they have helped me. Asra, can you please come on the stage? Asra, Jamila, Bushra, Nafisa, Keshav sir, Daud, Ashia, there is one more, Mansoor, he is a photographer today. Okay, this is our team generally whenever we conduct this kind of prize distribution or state level competitions which is conducted at a common venue. Along with these, we always have Lalita ma'am with us. And we have a couple of more coordinators who come up to just help us to be with us during those process of conducting competition. So rather, I should thank all of them because they were working backstage for us. So I think big round of applause for all of these students and all of the coordinators. Because when we go to schools to conduct the exam, they volunteer us in smooth conducting of the exam. So thank you so much to all of you. And special thanks to Keshav sir because 70% things he takes up and he completes it. Thank you so much. If you all don't know Keshav sir is standing to the extreme left of the stage. Thank you so much.
Okay, good afternoon. Before we start the second session, there are a couple of students from the first session, so we will finish with them. Then we will start the second session. Ishan Chinnala, 56th rank, All India 56th rank, Ishan from People's District. Mohammad Ruben, or MD Ruben, it is not obvious. MD Ruben, 37th rank, SFS CBSE, Sitambara. All India 37th rank, MD Ruben. Okay, we start with All India first rank, Anushka Mukherjee, since the media persons are really, so request her the first rank and we will according to this.
A big round of applause everyone. All India first rank.
She is the only girl to complete all 120 words from class 1 all over India. The only student to complete 120 words. She gets a cash award of 10,000 rupees along with certificate and notification.
Okay.
My name is Anushka Mukherjee. I am from
Divyansh
Timpani. I am
Kushwaha,
in
class
class
1
A.
from Navy Children's School,
I am very
Primary,
grateful for my
Nausinaba, has
My
secured
mother-
13th position.
My mother was
A big round
thankful
of applause for
for
Divyansh.
helping me. I am very grateful to get this prize
And happy also.
and have chance to go in with national spelling.
Thank you.
P. Lalita, retired teacher from SFS School, Sitamdara, and I am associated with this WIS Spelby since 2010 when they started this competition for our students. And I can definitely say that our students have benefited because of these competitions. As we all know that English plays a very important role in our lives. It is a global language spoken over many countries. And our children benefit by participating in this competition. It improves their vocabulary, their pronunciation, reading skills, thereby boosting their confidence. And it helps them to participate in various competitions, even their interviews at later stage of life when they go through their professional careers. It builds up their language so well that they definitely have an edge over other students. And I strongly encourage the students to definitely participate in such competitions which touch the various tools of the English language, and thereby their comprehension skills of the reading and writing the language also improves. And many of our students have come up with flying colors, and it helps them to do well in their academics also. And now they are also into the handwriting competition, which again is also a vital, it has a vital role in our lives. It reflects our individual personality. Though with all technology and all, we are more into typing and typeface, but still handwriting matters a lot. It helps them to boost their memory. Writing always resonates better and helps them to remember the matter well. And it also has a personal expression, and definitely the creativity of the student also enhances because of this. And I really congratulate these people from WIS Pelby, Swayamvar, Prabha Madam, Keshav sir and all other teams who are doing a very commendable job to help the students all over the state, especially in Visakhapatnam. Thank you.
The roller drums, they are the integral part of this competition. Every event that we conduct, they are like branches of this competition for me. So they are very supportive. पूरा जानते हैं code right from the start to the end how it happens. The trophies that were coming, they are the ones because they were segregating there and they were arranging everything. Even during the school level highlighting competitions and all that, they are the ones who take care of everything. And when they give the papers to the students, they explain how it has to be done. It's being conducted very smoothly in different schools. Along with the school's coordination, it is not possible. But from our end, from extra school, they help us in smooth conducting of the competition.
Thank you for your kind words, Didi. We consider her as our Didi, and we are so happy to be part of this Pelby WIS National Pelby. As this is not only a competition, but we are shaping the young minds who are the future of our country. So we want to spread this all over India and all over the state of mainly Andhra Pradesh. We representing the Andhra Pradesh from National Wizards Pelby. We request all the teachers and all the organization of the schools to that implement in your schools this kind of a competition, which is not only a competition, but this is mainly something which improves the communication skills, vocabulary skills, and mainly as English is not only a language, but English is something which improves our knowledge. And if we want to get success in our life, without English we couldn't get that success in our life. So we are going to organize this from class 1 to class 12. All the students can participate in this, and I will request all the teachers and all the organizations of the schools that please implement this WIS National Pelby in your child's. And I would like to request all the parents to just let your child participate. Winning is not only the spirit. Here we don't consider only the winners. Losing is also a part of the winning only. Once first step we will lose, second step we are gonna win. So from this WIS National Pelby, it is completely only English language. We are going to encourage and shape the young minds because they are the future of our country. So for sure, we are so welcoming that we welcome all the parents and all the teachers to encourage the young minds to participate in our WIS National Pelby, which is going to be a plus point in your child's career. Thank you so much.
Okay, good afternoon. Our Pelby has been since 2008, and our team has been associated since 2010. Swayamprabha is the only one who has been since 2008. So we just give our best to improve the vocabulary of students. I hope we continue to do this work properly. Yeah. Thank you.
This is Asra Kunamal. I'm working in this as a coordinator in Pelby from 2013, around 2013. During my graduation, I have joined here as a coordinator. The first thing I got attracted in this system is like students. We are representing students because today's kids are tomorrow's generation for this entire country. So I think students will gain much more knowledge by participating in this Wizards Pelby. And the other thing is like in everyone's life, success is not only the thing which everyone. So sometimes we'll lose the same. So we have to accept is the same. But winning or losing is the secondary. Knowledge is main. So I request all the parents to encourage your kids rather than pulling them to bring up the trophy or something. Just encourage them so that they'll improve their knowledge. That's it. Thank you.
Raman Mishra. I have been a part of this Wizards Pelby from past 6 years. I'm very happy to be part of this as a coordinator, and I work for this for past 6 years. I have seen many children coming to participate enthusiastically in this event, and it made me feel very proud that very small children from class 1 to class 12 are very interested to participate in this, and the minds are very, very enthusiastic and they are very enthusiastic. They feel like they are doing something great achievement, and I feel very proud of seeing those students in this, and I am very proud of the students and the parents also who are very happily, very students who have joined in this spelling, and I wish very good luck for all those people who have not been, but they have been received few knowledge and good things from this spelling. I'm very thankful for this. I'm very thankful